Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our brand Hope. So ano pa? Meron tayong guidelines para sa purchase natin. First, for your protection, purchase only from authorized distributors to ensure na genuine yung products natin. Ayan. Prices shown are exclusive of shipping and handling. Final pricing may vary. So please confirm with the office. Ano pa? Of course, again and again, welcome to our brand Hope. Ano bang meron sa brand Hope? Ayan, so first, again, good morning! Good morning, beautiful people! Good morning, asset builders, guests, and distributors all over the world. So why good morning? Because it symbolizes new hope, new beginning, and new miracle because the sun never sets with lifestyles. Ayan. So, ano yung topics natin? Meron tayong business brand, our company, our product, business opportunity, and getting started. Ano pa? Meron tayong brand name. We are the Asset Builders. So, sino ba tayo? So, tayo yung mag-create ng freedom with a proven system. So, ano pa? Meron tayong brand colors. So, kung hindi halata, naka-brown ako ngayon kasi yung brand colors po natin, brown and orange. And of course, kung narinig niyo yung kanta kanina, it's about giving it all. So, giving it all with Asset Builders. So, ano pa? Ang daming ganap with Asset Builders. So, we have our brand logo, which is the Asset Builders, or AB, Asset Building Program, or ABP, ABI, or Asset Builders International. Ayan, international talaga ang lifestyles. And we have our brand advocacy, which is build assets and be free. Yan. So, our brand philosophy, we do not buy luxuries first, we build assets to afford them. So ano pa? Of course, meron tayong madaming office sa Philippines. Meron tayong Makati, Cebu, Davao, Tacloban, Cagayan, Los Santos, Bohol, and Legazpi. Pero ang pinakamaganda doon, our home office is at Toronto, Canada. Ayan! So ano pa? Meron ba tayong mga important questions right now? Okay, like, do you want to get out of debt? Sino may mga utang dyan? Gusto nyo bang magiging debt-free? Achieve financial freedom for you and your family ASAP? And have a continuous flow of income without working hard. Ang galing. And have a business at minimum capital. Yon. So, sino yung mga galit sa boss dyan? Sino gustong i-fire ang kanyang boss? Ayan. So, ano pa? Okay. So, if yes yung sagot nyo dyan, dapat makinig kayo, no? Dapat all ears nasa presentation natin. Stay in this presentation and we will definitely help you. So, ayun. Introducing our first speaker. She is a certified public accountant, more than 20 years in the business, and achieved the highest position in 3 years, starting with a borrowed 10,000 and now a hotel owner. 2021, runner-up of the highest income earner, author of the book, Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income, the one and only Money Fairy of Lifestyles Philippines, Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradelios. The screen is yours.
So thank you everyone for being here. So ito yung first slide ko. So yung first slide ko, most people work for 40 years. And that's 40 years of alarm clock. 40 years of kulang ang income. 40 years asking permission sa boss mo. And ang masakit nito, after 40 years doing that, you retire broke. Kaya I took a different path. After 11 years of work, nag-resign ako. Kasi I cannot see myself working for 40 years just to pay bills. And buti na lang, nag-resign ako and choose a different path. Kasi with this path, nag-retire ako in just 3 years and enjoying time and money freedom. And this path is called, FIRE. Yes, FIRE. Financial Independence Retiring Early. A lifestyle movement where you save and invest aggressively so you can stop working for money long before the traditional retirement age. So hindi sila nag-retire dahil 60 na sila or dahil hindi na kaya ng katawan. But nag-retire sila at their own terms, at their own timeline. They retire young and wealthy. So ito yung mga tao na who say, I refuse to wait for 40 years. Kaya they built business to build assets. Para kang nagtanim ng mangga. And once ang mangga, malaki na, harvest ka na lang ng harvest. You don't need to plant anymore. No need to work anymore. And take note ha, hindi ito pang mayaman lang. But these are for people na may tamang desisyon at may tamang sistema. Alright, so may tatlong roads tayo to fire, financial roads. So sidewalk, slow lane, at saka fast lane. So, isa-isahin natin yan. Si sidewalker, sino ba siya? Live for today, no plan, spend everything, saves nothing. Walang investments, walang assets. Meron silang bahala na attitude, meaning leaves it all to chance. So, ang result, broke, dependent, no freedom. Always walking, never arriving. Mga one-day millionaire. Meron akong kakilala, may mana na natanggap. Ang ginawa, pumunta ng Hong Kong, nag-update ng gadget, spent everything talaga and saved nothing. Para bang hindi makatulog pag hindi naubos. Sila yon mga sidewalker. May kakilala ba kayong ganyan? So next laner is the slow laner. Ito naman, the traditional path. They study hard, work, save, and retire at 60. Depend entirely on salary to survive with small, slow investments lang. Ang dream nila is pension. So ang result, too slow, too risky, too late. So they're trading time for money your whole life long. Naku, napaka-risky talaga if ang katawan natin ang maghanap ng pera. Kasi, what if the body breaks down? Diba? The body gets tired, the body gets sick, or the body gets to travel. What happened ng income natin kung walang nag-work? Di wala, no? Absent, pero mga bills natin, meron. Palaging ganyan, palaging present yan ang bills. Di ba? Napaka-risky. Kaya ang dami na mga tao, kahit ayaw nila yung trabaho nila, work pa rin ng work dahil sa mga bills. So sad to say, ito yung programming natin. Kaya most of us, mga slow laner. Diyan din ako dati. The third one is the fast laner. No, sila yung nag-build a business to skip the 40 years of work. Ito yung ayaw isugal ang 40 years of productivity sa employment kasi alam nila with business, makabuild sila ng assets in just 3 to 5 years, not 40 years. Number 2, create assets that earn money while sleeping. So mga asset builders sila and enjoying income even in their sleep. Number 3, leverage systems and people. Meaning, meron silang mga wealth multiplier tools to earn more. Number 4, invest early, earn more. In their earlier years, save and save sila para maka-invest ng invest. So, ang result, they retire young, real fire. So, they own assets, live free. Meaning, while they play, assets pay. Gusto niyo yan? Of course. No? So, ang question, which lane ka doon? No? Toward fire. The sidewalk ba, which is spending without a plan? The slow lane, employee to work until 60 and retire broke? The fast lane, own a business to achieve freedom? Which one kaya ka doon? Sidewalker ba? Slow laner? Or fast laner? Ano ka doon? Kasi lahat tayo may lane naman eh. But ang question, tama kaya ang lane mo? So, tingnan natin so kung ano bang lane ang tama. So, only one lane leads to fire. And that's the fast lane. So, sino mga fast laner dito? Type nyo, me. Kasi sila yung mga nag-business to build assets. No? So, ito, if you want fire and nasa sidewalk ka or slow lane, mali pala ang lane mo. But okay lang yan dahil may good news ako. Kasi we have an opportunity that can shift your lane and hits your fire. Gusto niyo yan? Of course, gusto natin yan. So ito muna ang tanong. Ano ba yung tanong? What is the fast lane business today? Very important question. Kasi ang daming gustong magnegosyo. But ang question, anong negosyo? Magkanong kapital? Malaki ba? May magturo ba? May system ba? listen to this. This one's for you. Lahat yan. Lahat yan. Capital, system, magturo, mentor, nakapackage na yan sa business opportunity na ipakita ko. Yung business na merong real demand, maliit ang capital, but maliit ang kita, may sistema, may mentor, and most of all, proven and tested na with real results. Gusto niyo yan? And do you want to know kung ano yung business, fast lane business? So ito, sabi ni Paul Zane Pilzer, sino ba siya? World-renowned economist, author, and presidential advisor. And sabi niya, ito yung prediction niya, 10 million new millionaires will come from wellness plus network marketing. Remember it's not 10 million, it's not 10 millionaires, but 10 million new millionaires, di ba? Grabe, no? 10 million new millionaires. Grabe naman, no? If hindi tayo kasali dito, no? In Bisaya, banga nagid kaayo if ito industry natin at hindi tayo maging millionaire. Bakit? Sabi niya, ang wellness industry is a $1 trillion industry, bigger than the entire sickness healthcare system. Kasi people are now paying to stay healthy, not just treat illness. No, so yan, kaya mas malaki pa ang industry talaga natin kaysa hospital business or pharmacy because people don't wait to get sick anymore kasi mahal pa hospital. They want to prevent sickness. They're now more careful what to put in their bodies. Mas health conscious na sila. That's why the wellness industry is a growing industry. Okay, so why network marketing naman? Wellness is best shared by word of mouth because when product works, people share it. So yan. So sino bang hindi ma-excited na na meron akong kakilala na pumunta talaga sa ibang bansa dahil sa insomnia niya. Pero hindi pa rin siya nakatulog. But with Intra, imagine less than a bato lang, himbing na himbing yung tulog niya at gumaganda pa siya. So kahit hindi pa siya nabayaran, no, i-chismis mo talaga yan. Kaya big business talaga ang wellness at network marketing. Yes or yes? All right. So, the question is not if may negosyo ka. Ang question, are you in the right industry? Because timing is everything. Kasi kahit anong sipag mo, but ang business mo, encyclopedia, wala talagang ang benta. So, position yourself in the right industry. Alright, so wellness product, what we offer is simple wellness product that work, lifestyle product that people use, love, and reorder every month. So ang pinaka-wow factor nito is the reorder. Once ka lang mag-explain, then text na ng text sa'yo for repeat orders. Ano pa, a ready-made distribution business with the AB franchising system already built for you. Good news again, you don't need to start from scratch kasi may system na. Just plug in and run it. Ano pa, a community that guides you. Your AB team walks with you every step of the way. So you're not doing this alone. Every step of the way, your AB team is with you. Yes or yes? So achieve fire and live like this. So bakit nagtrabaho tayo? It's not just for money, but for freedom, for fire. So we can do what we want. Walang alarm, walang boss. You wake up because tapos ka nang matulog. When you want it, wala nang leave form. Ikaw na mag-decide if kailan gusto mo magbakasyon. Where you want it. Sa bahay ba? Sa beach? Sa ibang bansa? Kahit saan. Basta may internet, may income ka. With whom you want. With family, with friends. Hindi yun na yung tao na napilitan ka lang makisama. And as much as you want. Walang limit, walang ceiling. Your effort determines your reward. Yes. So, real talk lang this is my last slide. You are not lazy, you are not unlucky, you were just on the wrong lane. Alright? So, magaling ka, hardworking ka, smart ka, but hindi pa rin umaangat dahil mali ang vehicle mo. We have this saying, direction is better than speed, di ba? Para yang sumakay ka ng tricycle, papunta Manila, at nasa Davao ka, kahit anong bilis mo, hindi ka pa rin makarating. It's not the problem of the driver, the problem is ang sasakyan. May mali kasi tayong akala while growing up. We thought job ang magpayaman sa atin, the slow lane. But meron palang fast lane that we can retire early, that we will only build it once and makita tayo monthly kahit tulog tayo. And that lane exists. And that's exactly what we are offering you today. So take the fast lane to fire. Yes or yes? So yan, my final question to you. Are you ready to start your fast lane journey? Yes or yes? Yes. So ito yung story ko. So ako, ordinary employee lang, 11 years nag-work, and during employment years ko, within employment years, nag-poultry, nag-pharmacy, nag-grocery, walang nangyari. So yan, palipat-lipat kami ng bahay, 8 times palipat-lipat. Ang hirap talaga ng buhay, kahit bili kami ng electric fan, kailangang pag-isipan, otherwise, bagsak talaga yung budget. Alright? So yan kami dati, but kaya nag-resign ako after 11 years. I took a different path. Sabi ng husband ko, huwag kang mag-resign kasi ang dami nating utang. Pero nag-resign talaga ako. And true enough, nung nag-grade 1 ang anak ko, wala akong pang tuition. So pumunta ako sa America to work. Nung nag-work ako doon, na-homesick ako, bumalik sa Pilipinas, jobless, until I receive a letter sa pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung bahay ko. So bumalik ako sa work. In the morning, nag-report ako. In the afternoon, nag-resign ako. So, pray talaga ako ng pray. Lord, bigyan mo ako ng business na maliit ang kapital pero malaki ang kita, Lord. So, naalala ko yung Incha, nagamit na kami years back and nawala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko. Sabi ko, ito yung business ko. At nangutang ako ng 10,000, tinulungan ako, merong support, tinutulungan, sasamahan, tuturuan, and the rest is history. No? So ngayon, dito na, ang dami ko ng properties, yan, makita mo yan sa screen, and my cars na, maraming cars, ano pa, may maraming house, pero dito ako nakatira ngayon sa my dream house, and maraming house for rentals, ano pa, yung anak ko, yung dalawa sa abroad, nag-graduate, and marami akong travels, no, international and local travels. Tapos marami akong investments, yan, paper assets, business assets, and real estate assets. And dalawa yung hotel ko, maliit na bagay. And ano pa, of course, no, nag-ano din kami sponsor ng mga scholars. Alright? So yan, ano talaga yung personality growth ko, grabe dito. Dati, napaka-shy ko. Ngayon, napaka-confident. Confident na magsalita. So yan, ang pinaka-blockbuster story ko, from a borrowed 10,000 to a hotel owner. I am now living my life, living of my dreams ngayon, living my dreams na ngayon, hitting my fire. So inviting everyone, if you are in the slow lane or sidewalk, change your lane to fast lane because that's the only lane towards fire. And together, let's build assets and be free. All right. So introducing our next speaker. So, sino ba yung next speaker natin? Alright. So, ito, na one of the best namin dito sa AB. He's a graduate of business management, former employee in bank for 4 years, 7 years in financing industry, 2019 Lifestyle Millennial Achiever Awardee, 2021 Lifestyles Highest Group Growth Nominee, 2025 Lifestyles Breakthrough Leader Awardee, and Miwi Colon, Global Marketing Director, Ruel Senoy. Take it away, GMD Ruel.
Wow, thank you so much, GMD Eva, for that very for your introduction. Okay, so ano ba yung topic ko ngayon? Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so your health, your income, and it's your future. Ibig sabihin, ano lang yan, kung wala kang maayos na kalusugan, mahirapan kang kumilos at magtrabaho. No? Kung wala kang maayos na income, mahirap bumuo ng magandang future. That's why it all starts with choosing the right company. No? So ano pa? So that's why we choose Lifestyles. Ito yung company natin. So why Lifestyles? Ito yon, no? So stable company in more than 30 successful years. So stable na talaga, no? Hindi ka na matakot talaga o uminom ng products. At the same time, hindi ka na matakot na mag-engage sa business because stable yung company natin. Of course, it all ships products in over 30 countries with millions satisfied customers and with a proven franchising system. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda din, ang Lifestyles, ang company natin member sa US Direct Selling Association. Ibig sabihin, legit talaga, no? Legitimate talaga kasi yung DSA siya yung police sa lahat ng mga network marketing sa market. Okay, so and I'm proud to say that we are a member of a US Direct Selling Association, and it has Intra, which has been changing lives around the world. Yes or yes? Okay, so ano pa? So now let's meet the products behind the business. No wellness na talaga kasi ngayon yung mga tao talaga conscious na talaga sa katawan talaga. So that's why yung lahat ng products natin, ano talaga lahat ng mga tao pwede talaga. And of course, sabi ko kanina, proven na, no? Powerful, and of course, demand talaga yung products natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so ano pa? So now, introducing our flagship product, which is the Intra. Intra, it is a pleasant tasting juice that strengthens the immune system. And of course, it over 30 years around the world, contains 23 time tested and most potent herbs. Napakagaling talaga ng Intra because 23 herbs na. And of course, safe for all ages, including babies and pregnant women. Ibig sabihin, lahat talaga, no? Mabata or from womb to almost tomb, no? Pwede talaga yung Intra natin. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda because the company nag-offer yung Lifestyles ng 30-day money back guarantee. Hindi ako believer ng supplement dati, no? Nung yung upline ko nag-introduce sa akin na uminom ka sa product because nag-offer yung company ng money back guarantee. That's why nag-grab ka agad ako 13 years ago, no rather. So ano pa ba? So ano pa? And of course, ito yung pangalawang products natin, the Nutria Plus. This is the ultimate antioxidant with Seleno Excel Selenium. It helps. Ito yung benefit ng Nutria Plus sa katawan natin. It can preventing you from getting cancer, no? Maganda, no? Kasi nowadays, cancer talaga, no? Number 3, I guess, no? Leading sa sakit, no? Sa mga tao ngayon. Of course, Nutria Plus, it can reduce inflammation, yung mga bukol, yung mga lahat, no? And of course, it repairs and regenerates tissues, prevents skin damage due to sun exposure. And of course, Nutria Plus, ito yung pinakamaganda, it can slows down the effect of aging process. Yes, that's why yung mga distributor talaga, nung umiinom talaga ng product, at talagang bumabata talaga yung umiinom ng Nutria Plus. Yes or yes? Okay, so ano pa yung pangatlong products natin? The Fiber Life. This is a unique soluble plant fiber as ABC, no? Madali lang. It helps control appetite, no, for obesity, no? Yung if gusto mong lumiit, no? Just take the Fiber Life. And of course, also it can regulate your blood sugar level, no? Kasi yung papa ko dati is talaga siya, mataas yung sugar niya. 8 years siya dependent sa insulin, but taking Fiber Life talagang nag-regulate talaga yung sugar level niya. And of course, cholesterol for heart disease. So yan, ABC lang yung Fiber Life, appetite control, blood sugar levels, and cholesterol control. And of course, pang-apat na products natin is ang CardioLife. So CardioLife with vitamin K2, it aids healthy blood circulation for maintaining, ito yan, ABC again, healthy heart, to maintain our healthy heart, and of course, stronger bones, and of course, healthy brain. Ito yung maganda talaga yung CardioLife because para siyang anti-declogger, no? Nililinis talaga niya yung mga bara-bara sa mga arteries natin. So, yan yung CardioLife, yung ang pang-apat na products natin. Okay, so next, this is our tinatawag natin na premium. This is what we call Better Together Kit. So, your support solution against the top 3 causes of death today. So, our 3 months detox program, so kung magtitake ka ng product, kung just commit the 3 months detox program, no? Kailangan mo lang mag-graduate ka lang sa 3 months. Why 3 months? because yung first month is cleansing. So magdi-detox talaga yan, maglilinis talaga yan. Pangalawang buwan, nourishing. And of course, the third month is rebuilding and strengthening our 8 body systems. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda sa Better Together kit natin. It helps provide over 250 health building properties. Yung laman ng isang BT kit natin, dalawang intra liquid, 1 bottle of Nutria Plus, 1 bottle of Fiber Life, and 1 bottle of Cardio Life. Intra alone is okay naman, Nutria alone is okay naman, but yung if 4 products ang i-consume mo, if yung 4 products na iti-take mo, of course, better talaga yung results natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so our commitment to quality, premium quality, natural source products produced in Canada in accordance with GMP and HACCP standards for purity, safety, and sanitation. Ibig sabihin, walang contamination yung products natin talaga, and approved by FDA, kosher-rated, and halal certified. That's why we have office in Dubai and Israel. So talagang worldwide yung business natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so I guess tapos na ako. Madali lang pala yung topic ko, no. So this is my lifestyle journey. No, yes, I used to work before ako uminom sa product. I used to work sa bank for 11 years, no. Dati hindi ako believer ng product, hindi ako believer ng supplement kasi yung mindset ko talaga, doctor lang talaga ang maka-address sa sakit ko. Yes, 11 years, very stressful yung trabaho ko, nagkasakit ako. I have severe migraine, I have insomnia, constipated pa ako dati. Sabi ng upline ko, wag kang don't worry because money back naman yung product natin. So inumin mo lang, just commit the 3 months detox program. In fact, ako may yung severe migraine ko, nagpa-MRI ko dito sa Cebu kasi feeling ko dati mayroon akong brain tumor kasi sumusuka ako, parang iba na talaga, parang feeling ko that time may brain tumor ako. That's why sabi ko, sabi ng upline ko si GM Deramil, uminom ka sa product kasi maganda talaga. So ngayon 13 years na ako uminom sa product, I'm healthy talaga, no? Wala na ako maintenance, and hindi lang ako uminom sa product, pati yung the whole family ko talaga, yung papa ko, yung brother ko, siya yung blockbuster testimony ko. He has tanning na 3 months to live kasi mayroon siyang bone tuberculosis. No, but amazing talaga yung products natin kasi na-extend yung life niya to more than 5 years talaga. That's why I am forever grateful talaga sa product kasi lahat kami, the whole family, na healthy na talaga. No, that's why sabi ng upline ko, let's do the business kasi ang product, gumaling ka na, maganda yung product, let's do the business. Sabi ko, sige, itry ko yung business, yung business side. So, nagpaturo ako, nagpag-guide lang ako talaga. When I started doing the business, hindi ako marunong, but tinuruan lang ako talaga. Ngayon, 9 years na ako full-time sa business, and I'm one of the global marketing director. When I started, yung nag-decide talaga na gawin ang business, talagang 180 degrees na change talaga ang buhay ko. Ngayon, nakabili ako ng bahay. Ngayon, may nag-rent na yan, no? Nag-rent ng 40,000 a month, so passive income na yan. And of course, nakabili ako ng 2 sasakyan dito. It's because of the lifestyle opportunity, no? Talagang, my God, napakaganda talaga yung opportunity ng lifestyles. Kasi before, 11 years na ako nag-work, wala naman talaga ako, even sasakyan, even bahay, rent lang talaga. But ngayon, grabe talaga ang nangyari sa buhay ko nang dahil sa decision ko na ginawa 9 years ago. No, ano pa ba? Of course, nakabili ng mga lupa, no, condo, ano pa bang nangyari dito? Paper assets, no? I have plans. And ito yung pinakamaganda kasi nakapagtapos ako ng yung mga pamangkin ko talaga. May SEMA na ako, may custom na ako, may first year college ako na mag-CPE daw siya. So yun yung mga pinapaaral ko. And of course, lahat ng yan is courtesy of Lifestyles Income. Wala talaga akong ibang business kung hindi Lifestyles lang talaga. So local travels, kagagaling lang namin ng Boracay, medyo napaos pa kasi napakainit doon sa Boracay. And lahat ng yan is incentives, libre lang yan, no? Libre lang yan. If mag-sign up ka, ma-experience mo talaga lahat ng na-experience namin. Personality growth, my God, talagang na-change yung life ko dito, no? Na-change yung life ko dito. Ano pa ba? Okay, so of course, huwag kang matakot, no? Huwag kang matakot na gawin mo yung business kasi you have all the mentors. Ako, may mentors ako. May mentors ako na hindi ako nakarating to become global marketing directors kung wala akong mentors. Kami yung mga guide sa iyo, kami yung magsusupport sa iyo all the way para 3 to 5 years kung ano yung na ano namin, na experience namin, ma-experience mo rin, no? So, better health and of course, better future. Okay, so just grab, no, just uminom ka sa product, no? If you love your body, just take the Lifestyles product. But if you love your family, do the business. Yes or yes? Okay, so introduce ko ang third speaker. Ito yung very amazing talaga to, ha? So makinig kayo. She is a traditional business owner, 2018 Lifestyles Awardee of Consistency and Productivity, year 2019 Life Builders Club Ambassador Awardee, and Lifestyles Rising Star Awardee. My God, summa cum laude, 90-day Momentum Program Batch 4, and 2023 Lifestyles Awardee of Digital Ambassador. My God, please help me welcome Global Marketing Director, Susan Shabion.
Yes, yun nga, ibig sabihin, when the product is good, the business is done. Yes, bakit? Kasi nowadays, mas maganda talaga ang profit, no, kaysa salary. At ang dami pong yumayaman, no, na nagbi-business rather than just being an employee. Totoo ba? Pero, you know what, hindi lang basta-basta din ang business. Kailangan may system. So, ang question is, what are the top business opportunities of the 21st century? So, ang sagot dyan, ito, wellness and network marketing. Bakit? These are the two industries creating real income for millions of people worldwide. Meaning to say, ang dami po talagang yumayaman, no, with this type of industry. Here's why network marketing works. Number one, minimal lang po ang startup cost. This is a real business that anyone can afford. Here guys, you don't need millions to earn millions. Ang dami pong yumayaman dito, no, from rags to riches. Dito talaga is for everyone, no? And number two, residual income. Dito kasi you only build it once and you get paid for years or for a lifetime. You just embrace the system, magpaturo ka, you will be mentored all the way, magpaturo ka lang, and you only build it once, and my God, you know, you get paid month after month after month and for years. Number three, you be your own boss. Maganda ba ang walang boss? Here, no office politics, at ito, you are the business owner. Ikaw po ang may-ari sa negosyo mo. Okay? Number four, ang reason bakit network marketing works. Proven business model. This is practiced. Ibig sabihin, this is practiced by millions of people worldwide, trusted and time-proven. Ang maganda, we're so proud kasi Lifestyles, grabe po, going on 38 years, successful, long years. So saan ka pa? Who could go wrong? No? Sa 38 long years. Number five, income without limits. Ano ba ibig sabihin? Dito kasi, the bigger your network, the bigger your income. Dito, padamihan ng business partners, padamihan ng product users, at ayun na, automatically, the bigger your income will be, of course, no, ang mai-earn mo dito. Okay? And ito ang pinakagusto ko, and I'm sure gusto ninyo ito sa mga guests natin, transferable po ang negosyo natin. If you join with us, no, this business, a business for your family, your family can inherit. Meaning to say, kung mawala tayo someday, kasi wala naman talaga ditong magstay forever, but your family, your kids can inherit your business. Transferable and willable talaga. Amazing ba? Of course, amazing. Now, how to become a business owner here or how to be a distributor. Of course, I would like to introduce to you our packages. The first package is Instant Direct. This Instant Direct, this is the best package if ikaw ay isang negosyante. Bakit? Ito, bibigyan ka ni Lifestyles ng 30% outright discount. So your investment, ganito yan ha, your investment is only 101,960 pesos. But the products that you will get is worth 142,800 pesos. May profit na ba? Of course, ang laki talaga. Plus, meron pang free kasi dito, ang iinumin natin sa distributor, libre talaga. So with this package, 9 bottles free, that is worth 16,200. So your profit and savings is 57,040 pesos. ROI is 56%. Ang ganda ba? Maganda ba na package? If you have to ask me, yes, the best package. Now, ma'am, malaki yan. Do you have any other package? Of course, we do. No, ito yung Express Direct package. Okay, promo lang to ha. So kaya hurry talaga. Express package, you will be given a 20% outright discount ni Lifestyles. Your investment is only 62,480 pesos. What you will get is 9 Better Together kits amounting or worth or mabenta natin yan ng 75,600 pesos. Again, may profit na already, right? At meron ka pang 3 bottles intra-free that is worth 5,400. So your profit and savings is 18,520 pesos. In 1 month, you can, no? Pwede mo talagang makuha yung profit na yan. So your ROI is 30%. Now, either of these two packages, no, you will become an independent business owner. You will become a Lifestyles distributor. And ang maganda, you will enjoy the highest discount, the 40% discount on your next purchase. Plus, meron ka pang 1 million personal accident death insurance or up to 100,000 hospital reimbursement. So meaning to say, may peace of mind talaga ang family natin dito. Amazing ba? Amazing talaga. Okay, yes or yes? Yes. Now, dito guys, no, bakit ang laki talaga ng income? Because here we have 5 streams of income. No? Ang kikitain talaga natin. Number 1, retail profit, which is 20 to 40%. Meron pang wholesale profit, 10 to 20%. On top of it, meron pa tayong fast track bonus na 4%. On top of it, another royalty bonus, the 4 to 6%. And of course, grabe talaga dito guys, the organizational bonus, 1 to 3%. So meaning to say, more bonuses, more income. Maganda ba ang business? Maganda talaga. No? Okay? So ano pa ba? Yeah, so your earning potential, I will show it to you guys here. Number 1, the retail profit. So, if you can share intra, no? For example, no? You can share intra 1 bottle, your retail income is 720 pesos. Malaki na ba yan? Yes, malaki. Mas malaki pa sa minimum salary. What if you will be able to share 1 Better Together kit in a day? Even just in a day, your profit or your retail profit is 3,360 pesos. Amazing! Amazing talaga. What else? Number 2, check per package. Dito guys, chika-chika, because this is a word of mouth type of business also, which is the best promotion of your business. Chika-chika, check it after, right? So per Express Direct package na may mag-sign up sa iyo, you will be given by the Lifestyles 14,000 pesos. Every time na may mag-sign up sa iyo ng Instant Direct package, you will be getting 16,000 pesos. Malaki ba? Malaki. Icing lang yan. No? Icing lang yan ng cake. Super laki talaga. Now, the third income here is the royalty bonus. Royalty bonus, ito pong hindi mo pinaghirapan. Ito po yung kikitain mo, natutulog ka, nagsha-shopping ka, you're traveling anywhere. So how is the royalty bonus earned? Paano ba? Has to start from you. You talaga, yung nasa screen, ikaw yan, ikaw nandito ngayon. No, this is for you. Okay? With the system, tutulungan, sasamahan ka, makakita ka ng anim na magsa-sign up under you. Okay? Now, with that 6, again, duplication kasi ito, kopya-kopya business, easy lang. Tuturuan sa samahan, hindi rin sila papayag na hindi sila makahanap ng tiga-6 nila. So, your 6, that will become 36. Your 36, that will become 216, 1,296 until such time, maybe in 3 to 5 years time, aabot yan, perfect duplication, follow the system, aabot yan ng 9,330 total of network of users and distributors under your organization. Now guys, here is the amazing part. According to Lifestyles, kahit 20% lang ang maiwan dyan kasi yung 9,330, hindi lahat magpapatuloy, but kahit lang, no, 20%, and that 20% is 1,866 people, o order lang yan ng freebie tickets a month, so meaning to say, hindi nagbi-business, okay? This is your royalty bonus whether you like it or not, no? Royalty bonus, sabay tayong basahin dyan, no? 1,511,460 pesos month after month after month. Amazing ba? Meron tayong mga GMDs dito that's earning more than that. Times 2, times 3, times 4 pa sa nasa screen natin. Amazing? Amazing talaga. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang maganda dito? So dito guys, when you join ito, no? Tatanungin ka, what do you want to be? And how much would you like to earn? Tayo po ang mag-create ng income natin dito because kung anong sipag mo, iyon din, no? Ang kikitain mo. Ang super laki talaga. So dito, if you are an independent distributor, pwede kang kikita ng up to 20,000 pesos a month. Direct distributor, 20 to 40,000 a month. Working, of course, regional director, 40 to 75,000 a month. Executive director, working po, kasi you are a business owner here, you work for your business, 75 to 200,000. National marketing director, ito na po yung mga elite leaders and up, no? 200 to 500,000. International marketing director, 500 to 1 million, and global marketing director, 1 million and up. When I started here 9 years ago, 35 or 36 lang po, no, ang global marketing directors, but now more than 100 na po kaming mga global marketing directors. What does it mean? It means that the business is true, the opportunity is real. Okay? But we need only 3 keys to success to get to that GMD ship. Okay? To be successful here, kailangan meron lang tayong dreams, no? Importante talaga yung big why, yung rason natin. Number 2, willing to work. Ano bang work dito? Ang work dito is to do the mission, to help more people. Kasi this is a helping people business. Number 3 is be teachable. Paturo tayo because everything is in place. Nagawa na yan, carpeted na po lahat. All we have to do is just to follow the system and embrace the system. If meron ka nun, ng 3 na yan, requirements na yan, you can step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. Okay? Yes or yes. So how did I started here? I started here year 2017, not because about the business, but because of my health challenges. I am married to Canadian national. I am a traditional business owner. I used to own a restaurant, bar, and hair salon in Mexico. No, but due to unhealthy lifestyle, kasi I used to party a lot. I was never a supplement believer. No, very stressful. Grabe talaga. Yung katawan ko, nag-bag down yung immune system ko, na-diagnose ako ng autoimmune disease. I was allergic to dust mite. I have lumps on my breast, nagka-problema sa thyroid. I had myoma. Grabe, may doctors in Mexico, doctors in Canada, synthetic meds, pero wala talaga nangyari. Nag-depression ako. I told my husband, I wanna go back to the Philippines, no? So pag-uwi ko dito, ayun na, no? Lahat pong mga supplement na nasa market, I tried everything. And I used to fly to Makati Med kasi injectable na pong binigay sa akin sa mga sakit ko, no? Sa dust mite ko, sa psoriasis ko. But you know what? Walang nag-work. It did not work. Ang dami kong doctor sa Cebu. But you know what? One day, I prayed so hard to the Lord, the big man. Sabi ko, Lord, give me another chance. I've tried everything. Please help me. Sana makahanap ako. And thank God, year 2017, may nag-ask lang po na isang pari, no, to help someone, no, na operahanan. And to make the long story short, hindi po natuloy yung operation niya sa thyroid. And curious po ako, I was inviting them over to my house. Ano po yung iniinom? Bakit hindi natuloy? At ito po yung amazing Better Together kit ng Lifestyle. Yun po pala ang ininom. So sabi ng asawa ko, na-scam daw ako. I told my husband, I don't care if ma-scam ko. I have to take the products. Kailangan kong gumaling. No? But thank God, sabi nung nag-introduce sa akin, ma'am, damihan mo lang ng inom because the higher the dosage, the faster the effect. So I did it. And thank God, magna 9 years na po ako ngayon. No more synthetic meds. Thank you, Lord. No? And my blockbuster story, my husband, year 2018, September 4, he was due for angioplasty. No, 2 arteries sa heart, barado. But thank God, no synthetic drugs, only these products. He was already inside the operating room. The doctor did another angiogram, and thank God, one of the doctors came out and sabi, ma'am, Sir Tim no longer need angioplasty. We were able to save 500,000 pesos, you know? And in 2024, no, my husband was diagnosed colon cancer stage 2 kasi it runs in his genes, no? Ang mama niya, no, had colon cancer, yung kapatid niya, but thank God, because of these amazing products, kasi hindi siya nakasurvive sa chemotherapy. Only one time yung chemotherapy, we stopped it because almost chugi na siya. But we opt to talagang tinake niya the higher dosage, high dosage talaga of Intra and Nutria. And of course, the rest of the products, cardio and fiber, ngayon po, cancer-free yung asawa ko. My God, amazing talaga. And my mama used to be in and out sa ospital. Ngayon po 9 years kasi diabetic, no? Diabetic kasi siya, ang taas ng cholesterol. But 9 years, hindi na po nakabalik ng ospital. Amazing talaga. So, ginawa ko ang mission, no? Ginawa ko ang mission, after mission. At ayun nga, no, nag-grow po ang business, nag-grow po yung network ko. So, ibig lang sabihin, nag-i-income na rin ako. I earned my first 1 million year during the pandemic time because of this amazing product. No? And then I acquired my own car, no, my first car, of course, the Montero Sport. I have properties after properties, and amazingly, no, kasi ito talaga pinaka-blockbuster, no? I was able to restore my teeth, no, 11 implants, lahat zirconia yan, 1.7 million pesos. Thank you, Lifestyles, no, for me to be able to achieve my dreams kasi isang dream lang yan, no? So my mentors, hindi ako magaling, my goodness, no? Walang magaling sa umpisa, but don't you worry, sa mga guests natin, don't you worry because we have mentors here. We will be guided, we will be mentored all the way, okay? Yun yung mga nasa screen. Ang mentor ko, Jem De Eva, started with 10,000 now hotel owners. Jem De Leonor Abing, a high school graduate, no? My mentor, can you imagine? High school graduate, now a multimillionaire because of this business. Local and international travels, grabe ang dami. We just got back from Boracay. Ang grabe, ang gaganda talaga, no? All free, no, from Lifestyles. Kung hindi man libre, you will be able to afford na kasi monthly po ang income natin. Basta, we have to do this seriously. My big why is my family. I'm not worried if I passed away because I can transfer my business to them. You know, so thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. Personality growth, my God, wala akong masabi. Dati din akong nagmamadyong, nagtutungit, nagpa-party lang, walang kabuluhan ng mga ginagawa. But because of Lifestyles, no, na iba ako, nagiging inspiring na, no. Dati mahiyain din, pero ngayon hindi na po. Wala na pong hiya kasi all I want is to help more people. Okay, yes sir, yes. What else, no? Taking care. Ito, I do believe that taking care of my physical health, kasi na-value ko talaga ang physical natin, ang health natin. For me, because our greatest asset is our body. My God, no? Amazing talaga. We really have to take our health, our body, because everything else will follow. Okay, so ano pa ba dyan? So, ayun nga, no? Mag-sign up, no? You're here, not an accident. You're here for a reason. Humanap ka ng paraan, no? Humanap ka ng paraan kasi kung gustuhin, ang daming paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Huwag mo itong palalampasin. My goodness, ang ang opportunity na ito dahil darating yung araw, no, gigising ka na matanda ka na, pagod na, may sakit pa, pero ganun pa rin ang buhay mo. At pag dumating ang panahon na yan, baka it's too late for you. So sign up, get instant, get express package, and your life will never be the same. With that, everyone, I hope na inspired ko kayo. I thank you and may God bless us all. Good morning. So, of course, no, I want to introduce to you, if na-inspire kayo sa mga stories natin, mas ma-inspired kayo, let's listen to what people say about our amazing products and business. Let me introduce to you, very inspiring person, an engineer by profession, former college instructor in marine engineering. He started doing lifestyle business since 2018. Please, everyone, give it up for International Marketing Director, Sir Job Basaol. The screen is yours, IMD.
Good morning. Thank you, JMD Susan, for the introduction. Yes, sir, yes. Here's my lifestyle story. My family, my big why. I was born into a family of employee. I grew up with my parents, uncles, and aunties, employed for life. Growing up, nakita ko na life is not easy. Halos hindi ko na matapos ang engineering course ko dahil sa financial struggles. Kaya nag-part-time ako during my college para may pandagdag ng daily allowances. Kapag may nagkakasakit sa pamilya, my parents had to borrow money for hospitalization. Doon ko mas nakita ang reality ng living paycheck to paycheck. When they retired, nakadipi na lang sila sa government pension. And it was not enough. Masakit para sa akin dahil I know na may mga dreams pa sila pero hindi na nila ma-afford. Until they pass away and I grow and I know in my heart may mga bagay pa sana silang gustong maranasan. That experience changed me. Ayoko nang mag-duplicate ng journey ng parents ko. Yes or yes, it's never too late. 2013, naghanap na ako ng mga part-time businesses with the end in mind. Gusto kong makaalis sa employment cycle at mag-build ng sariling negosyo. But I failed during that time. Ang dami kong nasayang na investment. So, kahit hindi kayo nagtanong, I've been working also for more than 30 years. During my employment years, I give my time, my energy, my loyalty to employment. Although I'm grateful for that journey, but deep inside, I know I was meant for more. I was tired of trading hours for income. I wanted time freedom and financial freedom. In 2018, I found the lifestyles product through my angel upline, Iba Aradelios and GMD Nera Quiros, and it started because of our health challenge. I was diagnosed of having sleep desk after a falling accident. At my doctor advised me to prepare 500,000 for a spinal surgery. I refused. I seriously taking all the product massively. Unti-unting nawala ang pain at numbness ng lipot ko hanggang tuluyan akong gumaling. Thank you, Lord. Ang wife ko naman as 9 years OFW, dependent sa maraming maintenance, medicines, with acute, she was diagnosed with acute cerebrovascular infarct. After 4 months of seriously taking the products, tuloy-tuloy ang check-up and everything went back to normal. Ngayon, she's healthy and already a full-time lifestyles business owner. Thank you, Lord. So just like you before, I attended the presentation. I learned that only lifestyles having DSE accreditation, 30D money back guarantee, pre-mentoring and training, product quality, global standard, and more than 37 years in the market. So the next day, I borrowed money sa co-op namin to sign up an express direct package. Lo and behold, less than 1.5 months na ubos ang product namin. So doing my mission with my team, business with pleasure, attending events, training, learning new knowledge, new things, and most of all, surrounded with positive people. So travel internationally and locally, given na yan sa lifestyles, courtesy of our lifestyles income. Gusto mo yung travel? This business is for you. So in 2020, I was promoted as National Marketing Director during pandemic. Last February 2024, I made the toughest decision of my life. I took early retirement to fully focus on this business with my wife. Hindi madali ang desisyon na iyon, but because of the support of my family, I found the courage to take the leap. So I made a brave decision not because it was easy, but because growth requires courage. So I chose courage over comfort. And this February 2026 volume, by God's grace, I reached International Marketing Director. From health crisis to healing, from employee to entrepreneur, this journey is about faith, freedom, and a better future. So with courtesy of Lifestyles Income, I gradually acquired some dreams with my family. I own subdivision lots here in Danao, started investing the stock market, and great satisfactions come from sharing with others. So we have regular community outreach with my business partner and uplines. So with that, thank you very much. According to Warren Buffett, if you are not earning while you are sleeping, you will work until you die. Thank you very much. To God be all the glory. Good morning. So introducing our closing speaker, one of the best in asset building. She is a registered nurse by profession. 2016 runner-up of Lifestyle's highest personal group volume. 2018 awardee of Life Builders Club Team Player. 2021 nominee of Lifestyle's highest organizational volume. Please help me welcome Global Marketing Director Milagros Rocamora. The screen is yours, JMD.
Thank you so much. I am the Joe Pasaol. Hi everyone. So dati po sa before Lifestyles po, isa po akong event nasa Itbulaga po ako at naging hotelier po ako for 11 years at naging nurse. But meron kasi akong health challenge kaya nakarating po ako ng Lifestyles. Meron po akong pleural effusion. So sa x-ray result po, I have 1,020 cc of fluid taken out from my lungs, and 19 days after, na-admit na naman po ako ulit, and another 500 cc of fluid was taken out from my lungs through thoracentesis. Malapit na po akong madedok. Naku po, kawawa talaga ako. Ang side effect po ng antibiotics po is stiffness in my joints. I cannot move freely. I need to be assisted in anything that I do. And in fact, malapit na pong mag-collapse yung lungs ko. At nung April 2015 nga po, ayan po yung picture ko. I was admitted with 1,020 cc. Ang asawa ko po, hawak-hawak niya ang kamay ko. No, hindi dahil sa hawak niya ang beat. Naku po, dahil po talaga hindi na ako nagsasalita. Diyos ko Lord, those were the downfall of my life talaga. And during my recovery stage po, I was introduced po with Lifestyles from my upline GMD Yovi Aninon. Sabi niya sa akin, naku ate, valedictorian si Intra sa lahat ng sakit. Ay, naku, nabuhayan talaga ako. And during my recovery stage, kasi may utang pa kami sa hospital, nag-sign up lang po muna ako ng 2,000, inutang, bumili ng isang Intra, inutang, and for 10 months being the user of the product, nako, meron na nang pong, merong message si Lord, nag-heart enlargement ang asawa ko po. At dito natakot ako kasi po siya ang breadwinner sa bahay. Sabi ko, pag wala akong breadwinner, paano na ako? May sakit pa ako. Buti na lang talaga at nag-intra kami. At alam niyo po ba, nag-fracture po yung left femur niya nung 2023 po. At alam niyo po, sabi doon, it will take him 1 year bago makalakad ulit. Pero thank God, no? Because of our Lifestyles product, 3 weeks nakalakad na po ang husband ko. Grabe, no? Of course, with PT and marami talaga massive product intake talaga. So, nag-decide talaga kami mag-mission sa Lifestyles. I attended a lot of trainings. Hindi po ako kumbaga naniwala po ako dahan-dahan na parang kaya ko naman ito. Kasi po, GMD Nera really gave me the chance to attend a presentation. And I was seated in front. And sabi niya, Miles, makinig ka lang.
And nakilala ko ang opportunity, kaya ginawa ko lahat, na-promoted po ako, nagka-experience ng local travel, international travel, may mga sasakyan na, at nang dahil sa Lifestyles opportunity, nakapag-graduate po ako ng occupational therapy ang anak ko po no sa Veles College. And right now, she's a master's degree already and a full-time faculty ng Veles College sa OT. Grabe no, had it been I said no to this opportunity, for sure hindi siya nakapag-graduate. Ang late kasi ng sweldo ng asawa ko dahil marami kaming loan. And of course, personality growth. Dito po, bumait po ako from a very bitter version of me to a better version of me na naging mabait na po. Marunong na po ako magpatawad. Ang galing talaga ng products. Kasi po, baka singilin ako ni Lord. Hi, Tita Mila, how are you? So, ibig sabihin po, the product really works. And my big why po is ang pamilya ko po. Kasi po, bakit ba ako gumagawa nito? Dahil po talaga sa pamilya ko, ang nanay ko, 80 years old, magi-84 years old na po. At dahil sa product, this coming May 7, 84 years old na siya. Nako, for sure, we will have a grand birthday for her. And you know what? Ito talaga ang reason kaya ginagawa ko ito wholeheartedly. Let's be honest ha, most people don't retire by choice. They retire because they have no choice. And because time ran out, because health is declined, or because opportunities were never built while they had the chance. And that's a reality we don't talk about enough. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be that way for you. Retirement should be a decision away that comes from freedom, preparation, and the life you intentionally created. So while you still have time, the energy, the ability, kailangan po, you have to start planning right now, as in right now talaga, because you deserve to do it with dignity, with peace, and with power to choose. Not because you have to, but because you want to. Imagine this. You wake up not because an alarm is forcing you to do so, not because work is calling you, but simply because you are done sleeping. Ano ba? No rush, no pressure, no obligations waiting to drain you. You take your time, you breathe, you enjoy the morning. Ano pa ba? That kind of life doesn't need to happen by accident. It is built through the choices that you make today, the discipline you practice. It's built through the choices na ginagawa natin, because one day, just like we said earlier, you will step into a reason or into a season where your work is no longer the center of your life. Pero ang tanong kasi, ready ba ako? Kailangan ko ba talaga ng freedom, or kailangan ko mag-worry, no? So start now, build a life where your mornings are yours. And you know what? You can take a leave without asking permission. Hindi pa ma-approve. Imagine that. Just imagine what kind of freedom. No need to file a request. No waiting for approval. No fear of being denied, because your time is finally yours. And you know what? Because one day, you will want to step back, to rest, to travel, to spend time with the people you matter most, no? And when that day comes, to spend time to the people who matters most, you can take a leave because you want to. Or are you still asking for permission? Choice mo yan, alalahanin mo. Or you spend more time with your family. You may pause and imagine that, oo nga, no, kasama ko nanay ko, mga anak ko. My God, being present at the dinner table, laughing a little longer, showing up the moment that truly matter, no? And without checking the time, without worrying what's costing you, because money is coming in whether you like it or not, if you have built something while you're in your productive age. Because in the end, success is not just about how much you earn. It's about how much time you can give to the people that who matters most. Nanay ko talaga ang reason, asawa ko, mga anak ko, ang apo ko, kaya nag-create talaga ako ng life where I have to choose between income and family, and life where we can have both if you are an asset builder, because you're no longer worried about emergencies because you're financially prepared. We have the best product. Oh my God, no? No more hospitalization. That's the kind of security many people wish for, but only a few actually build. The truth is, emergencies are not a matter of if, but when. And when that moment comes, the question is simple. Will you react out of fear or respond with confidence? Because financial preparedness is not just about money. It is about peace of mind. It is about protecting your future, your family, and your ability to stay strong even in uncertain times. So start today, build safety, and create that cushion. Because you know what? When you travel when you want and stay as long as you want, no fixed schedule. No, kararating lang talaga namin ng Boracay. We had so much fun. Oh my God, no? Puro positive people ang nag-surround sa'yo. Walang judgment, no? Ang sarap ng buhay to be surrounded with positive people, no? Freedom to explore new places and truly experience life, not just squeeze it into a few rush days. For most people, travel is controlled by their job, by how many days they're allowed, by how much income they might lose. But imagine a life where there's no longer that case, no? At alam natin na right now, your income is tied up to your time. No work, no pay. No, nakakatakot talaga yon, ha? In a cycle many people are trapped into, where your hour stop working is an hour you stop earning. Imagine that. Grabe talaga. But in the future, your income continues even when you're not working, because money still comes in whether you're resting, traveling, spending time, because that's FIRE, means financial independence and retiring early. It is not just a trend. It is your best decision ang nakasalalay, that stop living paycheck to paycheck. A decision to take control of your time and a decision for your income in the future. Grabiha, oh my God, no? As in good, it's about discipline today, your freedom tomorrow. Sacrifice now so you can have choices later, because in the end, the option is to rest when you want. The option is to spend time with your family anytime you wanted to. The option to live life on your own terms. And that's what FIRE is all about. You type FIRE in the comment section below, because it's not about wealth, but it's about freedom. And freedom is priceless. Everyone needs, because fire is important. No, fire talaga. And I hope that you will start whatever you can to sign up and be an asset builder, because we build assets and be free with that. Thank you and good morning. The two choices is stay where you are and nothing changes, or start today and build your path to FIRE. The decision is yours. With that, thank you, and to God be all the glory.
Grabe! When you combine the right health with the right opportunity, everything changes. So thank you so much to all the speakers for opening our eyes to what's possible. Okay, so thank you for joining us. Get back to the person that invited you here together. Let's build assets and be free. Thank you for joining us. Let's build assets and be free.